CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the AvaEye Remote Viewing App for an AvaEye NVR or IP cameras. So first, you're going to tap on the App Store, and then you're going to tap the search button or icon at the bottom right-hand side. If you're on an Android phone, you will need to use the Google Play Store, and then you'll need to search for the AvaEye app. So I'm just going to type that in. It's AvaEye, A as in Apple, V as in Victor, A as in Apple, E as in Elephant, Y as in Yellow, E as in Elephant. And then tap search on the keyboard. And here the AvaEye app is. So you would tap this cloud icon to download and install the app. You can also scan the QR code on the top of your NVR using the camera app on your iPhone or Android if your phone supports QR code scanning, and that QR code will take you directly to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store to find the app. I've installed the app by tapping that cloud icon, and now I can open the app by tapping open. You can tap, I have read and agreed to the service agreement and privacy policy. You can read those if you would like, and I'm just going to tap that I have read them, and then tap agree. And then you can actually skip the login creation screen. It's going to ask you if you can search for your network. You can tap allow or don't allow, it doesn't matter. I'm going to tap allow. And then as I was saying, you can tap the try now button to avoid creating an account. You do not need to create an account to use the app and add your system. So I'm going to tap the try now button. So this is how I successfully downloaded and installed the app to my iPhone. And then I didn't create an account because I can add my system without creating an account. And you could do that by tapping the three bars, tapping the devices tab, tapping add, and then choosing the add without sign up button. It says it would like to access the camera, so you tap OK. And then you would scan the QR code on the top of your NVR. However, I'm going to show this full process in another video. Thank you for watching. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.